And lastly, IT 2.0. Everybody's heard the term cloud, right? People think, generally technicians, that cloud is a new technology. It's not. It goes back to 1964. The first, John McCarthy started writing about utility computing being the logical conclusion of everything that was going on in information technology. Back in 1964, 50 years ago. So, it's not a technology. What ITO 2.0 really is totally reframing the delivery of information. It focuses on content versus data. It focuses on information delivery, access, availability, the ability to search. Those are all the elements of ITO. It's moving to a collaborative information model versus a transactional information model, which is what all of us have been doing our entire careers, basically, is transactional IT. The consequence of this is a whole new playing field, a whole new group of players, a whole new set of organizations. Everything that we know about how we do business is wrong. Now, I'm jokingly saying that because we're going to have another 10 years worth of making this transition. But the fact is, everything we know is wrong. The other thing that I like to do with people is get them to understand the fact that we in technology have to understand we don't cause the change. We can enable it, we can facilitate it, we can accelerate it, but we cannot cause a change to take place that doesn't want to take place already, that there isn't some other reason for that technology to take place. And those of you who were here last year when I did the session, we went through all of these different changes, and you can read about them in the book, and you can grab any of my team and they can talk to you about them. But the fact of the matter is that technology is the underlying vehicle that's going to enable Management 2.0 to really work, Enterprise 2.0, and the beginnings of Capitalism 2.0. The other thing that I'll do is there is the past president of the Institute of the Future, a guy by the name of Ray Amera, created something called Amera's Law. And it's something to keep in mind when you think about being in technology. We tend to overestimate the effects of technology in the short run, and we tend to significantly underestimate the effects in the long run. And if you just think about your career in technology, the next shiny new object, we thought it was the greatest thing in the world, right? It's going to blow everything away, and then nothing happened with it. And then years later, it ends up being the foundation for what we do. So keep that in mind when you talk about technology.